What is up, Roth IRA family? Today, I'm going to share with you guys my Roth IRA portfolio and show you how it's performing now after this market dump thing that just happened. This is Saturday morning here in China. I just woke up and opened my portfolio, and I seen that the market really took a big dip last night. So we're going to see how the portfolio looks like after that big dip. I talked about my thoughts about this in my other video about market manipulation. Maybe you can check that out if you want. I'll put a link to it below. Anyway, let me open up my Charles Schwab. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, here's Charles Schwab, my Roth IRA. I'll refresh it. This is 8:45 in the morning here in China. The Dow Jones was down almost 2%, NASDAQ 3.5%, S&P almost 3%. And my portfolio was down 2%. So we did perform about the same as the Dow. Anyway, 59,431 is the value. 26,540 is cash and cash investments. Let's check out the positions really quick. RGTI, 70 shares. I sold off some shares of this to get my initial investment back. And this is all house money now. And we're up 260%. Soundhound, 44 shares. I had some of this too, and I sold off my shares to get my initial investment back. And again, playing with house money, we're up 71% there. WPay, I just bought some of that this morning when I woke up and saw the market was down. So anyway, I got 200 shares of that. This is income plus growth, because this is like a leveraged basket of leveraged stocks. So it's not capped to the upside, so it can skyrocket up, but it can also, crash down really hard. But it does pay each and every single week, and so, but this one can recover because it's not capped. So that's why I have it for income. SCHG, 295. This is large cap growth, and then SCHB 360, which is the entire stock market, right? And then SWVXX 10,062. This is, you see, this one is unaffected by the crash because this is $1 all the time. It doesn't really move. It's kind of like a high yield savings account pretty much. It's got a 4% annualized yield, but it pays each and every single month. So I keep unused cash parked here. And then I've got 16,478 in actual cash I can deploy at the moment. So that's where my cash and cash positions come from. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to take you into the spreadsheet and share with you how this actually looks like behind the scenes, how it's performing and all that stuff. So let's record the screen on the computer, take a closer look, if my computer allows me. New screen recording. All right, 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, here we are in the spreadsheet that tracks the portfolio. I'll make it bigger. So you can see there's my Rigetti, WPay, SCHB, SCHG, and Soundhound. You see these empty slots because I had stuff there that I sold and I just didn't fill it back in or didn't put anything else, whatever. So here's the shares, and the price and stuff is exactly the same that I just showed you in my portfolio. But let's go check out the returns. That's what we want to see. Let me get everything on the screen here for you so you can actually see what we're looking at. Hopefully. There we go. Now you can see it. Okay, so at the top we got what's going on with this stupid thing, man? Let's try this again. Okay, so I'm trying to get everything on the screen. Okay, Rigetti. You can see, as I mentioned, we're up 260%, 262%. That's from a little bit extra over the market return because I sold some covered calls for some income. That's why these two returns are slightly different. The next one you have is WPay, brand new position. It is down. This needs some time to do its thing because it is down, but I did receive a dividend payment from them. So we're down 1.37% on the total return and 1.84% on the market return. But this one will do good. I believe it just needs some time to do its thing. When the market starts going back up, this can go up because it's not capped to the upside. It can just go up actually faster than the market because it's leveraged, which means it can also go down faster than the market. So it's not a huge position for me. SCHB, this is the broad market, the entire market pretty much. You can see we're up 5.86 on total return, 5.4 on market return. SCHG is your large cap ETFs. This is up 6.8% and 6.9%. Nothing to say here. I mean, the market goes up, these go up, right? They grow. That's what they're supposed to do. Which WPay should grow too. We just started this a little late in the game. SoundHound down there, you can see 84%. That's because I made some extra income from covered calls as opposed to the 79% on the market return. Okay, so well, I'll show you this really quick too, the allocation. Okay, well, I said I was going to show it to you. Let me go back and try this again. Okay, so hopefully you can remember the positions here. Let's just do it this way. Okay, so 5% in Rigetti, 1.29 in SoundHound. We have WPay 17%. Wow, that's a large position. SCHB 15 and SCHG 15. So basically these right here, SCHG and SCHB, need to be much bigger. They need to, like right now they're 30% of the portfolio. They need to be probably 60 to 70% of the portfolio, maybe 70%. So I got some work to do to grow these, but the market's has been on a tear, so I've been reluctant buying them. So maybe I'll get a chance to go ahead and grab some of these on Monday. I could have bought some last night, but I was asleep. That's the problem when you live abroad. Sometimes, you know, you're asleep when all this action happens. So let's check out the dividend log real quick. Nothing special to show you here. Just one payment so far from WPay. So it's $51.37, which was last week. This week I'll get paid again. But Rigetti, I didn't sell any calls or nothing like that. Same thing for SoundHound. And then SCHB and SCHG, these two pay quarterly. As you can see, $9 there, 26 here. So they do pay quarterly. So this month, there's not going to be a payment again until what? December, right? Yeah, December. I'll get a payment in December. So for now, we're only getting money from WPay. And so, as I said, $51.37. That's how much we made this month in WPay. And that's my portfolio, my Roth IRA portfolio. And like I said, I'm planning to grow SCHB, SCHG to about 50% instead of 30%. We might even go to 70%. But I'm taking my time with it. I'm not in a rush. And that's all I got to say. So let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Got a free Discord coming there. We talk about retirement, trading, living abroad, fitting, everything. Talk about anything and everything over there. That's fine. It's free. Link below. If it doesn't work, just let me know in the comments and I'll send you a new personal link. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.